Hey viewers, this is the day 117th of my journey to improve my communication skills. Starting with my DSA practice, today again I solved the daily lead code street problem, and the problem was we have to predict the winner. So basically, given an array, and we have to find the elements for the players. Like there are two players, and for each player we have to extract one number at every step and add it in the that player's score. For example, given an array of four elements like 1 2 3 4, and in first step player 1 can extract the one element from the array, and the element should be from the first and the last stage, not in the middle. So this is a basic constant while solving the problem. Similarly, for the player second, we can select the elements from the first and the second, not in the middle. And one more thing, we have to find the optimal value, not any number. We have to find the maximum number so that the player 1 can win or player 2 can win while selecting the values. So I solved this problem with the help of the dynamic programming, and rather than calculating the score for each player individual, I used the approach of a subtraction method. Like I subtracted the value of the second player from the first player, and if it is greater than 1 or 0, greater than 0, then we can definitely return the player 2 is winner, and we can return false. If in case it is less than is 0 or less than 0, then we can return the player 1 is a winner and it has a maximum value. So this is the basic problem statement which I solved today. Coming to my reading section, today I continued reading the book which is How to Win Friends and How to Influence People. And today's whatever I read today, the conclusion of the title and the conclusion of whatever I read is we have to smile whenever we have to talk with the people. This is the basic conclusion whatever I read. So today again I encountered with some new words whose meaning I don't know. It around 8 or 10 words whose meaning I don't know. So rather than learning each and every word, I just focus on two words. The first word which I learned is distraught. Distraught basically means very sad or groomed person who is not able to perform well in their life, who is very upset or sad. That is basically meaning of distraught. And the second one which I learned is cripple. Cripple basically means to destroy something or to make something weaken. That is basically meaning of the cripple. And the sentence we can make on it like the storm weakened the city's bus stand or airport. This is the basic words which I learned today, and I also uh, I also write a paragraph on the words which I learned, so that along with my reading skills, I can also improve my writing skills. And day after tomorrow, I have a placement test examination, and I have to prepare for that also. For that, I'm much focused on my I'm just focusing on the DSA part. I still have to work towards the core subject which is operating system, computer network, uh, DVMS. DVMS is the most important topic because as skill query is definitely asked in the interview. I have to work on that. So yeah, this is all about day 117th of my journey to improve my communication skills. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you soon. Bye bye.